today.
I'm going to teach you how to give an American all-you-can-eat place laughs.
American all-you-can-eat buffets have been around since 1946, when a guy by the name of Herb McDonald introduced it in Las Vegas to keep hungry gamblers in the casinos. With such a spread, finding where to start is always the hardest part. For me, when tearing down a buffet, I lighten the carbs and go heavy on the meat, especially the expensive cuts of meat. What am I talking about? This buffet is less than $20. What kind of expensive meat?
My problem is that you're right, my eye too big, my eye bigger than my belly. Mix up little crab meat. That was imitation.
We're going straight to the hibachi. So this is uncooked, unseasoned meat. There's shrimp, there's crab, there's beef, there's pork, there's chicken. A little mixture of shrimp, a little crab, a little beef, and add some veg, then straight to the hibachi. Hibachi, that's the word used to describe this cooking style and technique. Originating in Japan, it was used to market grills after World War II worldwide. However, in the US, hibachi has become synonymous with cooking on a flat top, and in Japan, it's known as teppanyaki. He's just putting a sizzle, putting a fry on those meats. Some other people have theirs on it, they have rice, they have noodles, but us is just straight protein. Rice is a filler, noodle is a filler. We're here to stretch the money, not our tummy.
That's true. I get 2 and 5? 2 and 5. Spicy and yeah, man. 2 and thank you. So this is shrimp mixed with a little beef with some crab. You saw it on the hibachi, grilled up with some spicy soy sauce and some hibachi sauce. Them not gonna win my money tonight.
I'm not sure. Can you get here?
Why go with carbs when that doesn't fill you up?
Yeah, that's okay.
Might as well go with the protein. I have veg. I have onions. Is a imitation crab meat. That's exactly what it is. It's not real.
I should bond with my dad before the father.
Yeah, you know.
Not good. Put it in there.
For the video purposes, to make it more representative.
No, for the video purposes, I can tell the truth. Imitation crab meat does not taste good. But think I'll be visiting back that in Bratchy.
Going tonight?
I hope you guys will have time.
You sure we hope we have time? Oh yeah, man. I'm going to need time if I'm going to go back.
Maybe multiple trip. I am back at it. Round one. It's pretty good. The battery was not bad at all. I'm going to eat up some seafood right now because we saw the crab come out. Oh my god, the ribs. I can't take my money. Watch this. Baked flounder, which is, like somebody said, one of the ugliest fish you'll find, but one of the best tasting. I find that most of the ugly fish taste good. Fried shrimp, which were just ginormous, not really deep fried, but have a nice crust and a nice pop to them. Oh. This is something like a crab cake, however it's served on an oyster shell. This looks something like pepper shrimp, so I just had to go into it. Pepper shrimp without the head, but it's really just a cooked down shrimp with shell on. Last but not least, a little fried crab. Blue crab to be exact. After the second plate, I've gone ribs. Almost damaged ribs. Beef. Off the grill that you saw them doing on the hibachi. And this shrimp. This is the tastiest thing I've had so far. This shrimp. It's not a pepper shrimp. It's a little batter breaded on it. But it's a big shrimp. It's a ginormous shrimp. One price of this in Jamaica would be. It's so good. Shrimp meat is so sweet and bouncy. Not tough. Cooked right. Wow. I have to get some more of those. They're big, but worth it. And the trick with this with me is that not a lot of calories.
What?
Carbs. We're doing a lot of calories. This rib is really nice as well. Love the grilling. Cleaning that bone right off. Perfect. I have a piece of fish which is flounder, but I saw something on the news that a lot of places not giving you the fish that they say you order. Kind of skeptical about fish, you know? It's too dry for me. A bit of the crab, which is served in an oyster shell. Nice one. And that is round 2. Time for round 3. You can't bring Jamaican from all you can eat. We're going to eat all we can. How they try to get you out of all of the chicken I picked up. This is all cornstarch that's fried in the chicken, thicken it up and also make the batter crunchy. But That's what will fill you up. And that's how I'm gonna beat them. So like this.
Worst case scenario is go back.
So that, look how thick that is. In there,
Until you get
barely any shrimp. So if you peel it off, you get that much shrimp. Ginormous shrimp like that. And to get into this, you know, this is going to be a monster. Dig this out. This is trying to get this out there. Stuck right in. You have to get under there. Twist. Oh man. Ah, there we go. And this is what is left. That was raw. That was raw. I did not expect that to be raw. Oh, that wasn't cooked. That was not cooked. Oh, that's sushi. So we've been through Asia and we've done down south. And now we're going to sushi. There is some nigiri, there's some tuna, there's some mayonnaise, and that organic restaurant. You're not gonna get the best tuna in the world. Not bad. But the people here keep checking on me. Don't know if it's because I'm recording or because I get them my last. What's it? Honey? Still going. It's fake honey. Not real. That's a strong possibility. Not really, this sushi is not good. It's not bad, but it's not. The meat off of the rice. One more trick. I hate tuna. Let's see how much rice compared to tuna ratio is. That little bit of tuna. That much rice. That's the tuna that came in there. That's the amount of rice you get. And that is how buffets get you. So that was an all-you-can-eat buffet. I think I went for like 5 or 6 times. I am not full. Not full. Can I eat some more, but not going to be uncomfortable. And that's how you really damage it. You have to know the chips and the tricks of the trade. Do not drink soda, drink water, do not snack up on a lot of carbs. The spaghettis, the rice, the pasta, it alone damage the meat first, and then you get to that after to top up your food.